Hello guys, so I'm going to show you again another example of win that I've made using my strategy to government contracting to a client that I assist. So this is the solicitation that I work in. So we submitted to Mr. Brown. This is the company. AKHG Corporation is pleased to submit a proposal response. So this is what I did. The quotation that I did also, as you can see on the previous one, and this one also. The solicitation that I've sent to the POC. So we provide a discount, net 30. So here, as you can see there, we have a lot of conversation with Rodney here. But the thing is, the main thing about this one, on the solicitation ending 00130, Mr. Brown came back to us with a purchase or successfully awarded to AKHG Corporation. So as you can see here, this is the company that I assist. And when you see this, this solicitation number or the code number or the order number rather, when you search this onto the Federal Procurement Data System, you will see the result here. So award number, this is last August 12th, 2024. So this is another proof for a winning for the strategy that I made to government contracting. So hi there guys, I'm going to show you again another proof for winning on the company that I assist to government contracting, which is this KSP Consulting Corp. As you can see here, this is the contract that I'm working with a spectrum analyzer. So it was already inactive because it was been already awarded to us. So the due date is August 19, 2024, but I requested it uh, to request a quotation last July 2024. So I reviewed the contract 2 weeks before. So then I requested it using the middleman strategy that we're working that I am applying. So I requested here is the details that was needed for the contract, a spectrum analyzer that needed to be delivered to seven different location. So what happened here? I contacted Jim. I actually strategy first 15 to 20 emails sent to different suppliers. That is what we need. Then some supplier will get back to us, but sometimes it's not. But the thing is, what I did here is um get still the price of that analyzer or a price that was provided, which is on this altness. So let's skip to that part and inform you how we win this, how I win with the strategy and helping this company. So on this solicitation 0015, I submitted the information or the bid last July 31, 2024. So given this, I provided this to the company so they can fill it out with the needed. But the code here, this one, I am the one who did this. So just to provide that this government that we're working on already have a quote from us. Okay. So what happened here that Marla informed that good afternoon. This email is to confirm receipt of your response to solicitation and will be reviewed. So just let things happen and I forward to the other bid that I'm working on. So just to keep continue bidding. Then when I hear back from Marla, it said here that good morning. Can you please provide that with the cost of breakdown of the code? So that is a good sign as you can see August 20 from August 1. So that is 20 days. So I think it has a chance because possible the reason is I am the one only who bid this or there's another company who bid this but um it didn't reply but things happen for government contracting that's why. So I informed him August 24 because we need to secure our point of contract securing also the supplier. So I replied to Marla, hi Marla, the code is still valid and active. Let us know if you have any question. Okay, so Marla get back to us August 23. You can see here, this is recent win. So good morning, I'm reaching out again in response your code for solicitation, sir. So can you please provide a breakdown of the code attached? Please let me know if the code is no longer valid. So we didn't reply yet because we need to secure the item first. That is what we did. So we need I contacted the supplier which is named Jim. Here is the details. Yeah, hi Jim. Thank you for taking my call earlier because I contacted Jim about this. So, we wanted a spectrum analyzer 7 units. So, that is the journey. What happened here? To make the story or to make it short, it was I contacted Jim, but the thing is, it was for cost unit or it was use unit. So Jim provided me that we contacted Keysight for the main distributor for this. So we contacted Keysight and we informed that we will be purchasing this item from them and deliver it to the seventh delivery location. So I updated here. So here, hi Marla. So you can see here, I break down the charges. We break down the charges from them with a brand new unit because it happens. This is the total price, but we just mark it up for up to 10%. The thing is, it was only the total cost for this around of 60,000 and up, so you can see. But in regards with this, it has we added a 10% and equivalent to 875. So the profit that was gained from this bid is $115,000. So as you can see, when we resell to the government, they provide us or we will get a profit for $115 with providing them the item that was needed. And this work is only for 1 month, but we have existing bid also that was forwarded to them to the government contract. We are bidding. I am bidding also. I'm helping this company to bid on the government contracting. So imagine only if we continue submitting. We will set a goal for the company or for your company, and we will submit bidding to the government. Imagine the profit that we will make for this to your company. So I will make that happen also to your company, and we will get the strategies that we need for because this company we set up this for last May 2024. So in the matter of setting up this company for government bidding and all. We learn a lot from the feedback from the government contract specialist. So sometimes you don't know what we miss in the contract, but things happens. Government contract specialists actually helping us out here. So this is the successfully strategy that I've made here so far. So if you're going to partner with me, guys, just leave a message and let's connect.